Did you know that 70% of people who train their arms never see the results they want? And here's the shocking part. It's not because they're not working hard. It's because they're missing the secrets to unlocking rapid arm growth. What if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you could learn the exact strategies to transform your arms from skinny to sleeve busting? Stick around, because today I'm revealing the proven dumbbell techniques that will skyrocket your arm size faster than you ever thought possible. Oh, and if you're still doing bicep curls the way your high school gym teacher taught you, well, let's just say it's time for an upgrade. Let's get real for a second. Your arms are one of the first things people notice about you. Whether you're shaking hands, rolling up your sleeves, or just standing confidently, your arms tell a story. But here's the problem. If your arms are weak or underdeveloped, they're telling the wrong story. And in a world where first impressions matter, can you really afford to ignore this? But what if I told you that the key to massive arm growth isn't just about lifting heavier weights? It's about how you lift them. The biggest mistake, overtraining. Here's the truth. More reps don't always mean more results. In fact, overtraining your arms can actually slow down your growth. Your muscles need time to recover and rebuild. The solution? Train smarter, not harder. The secret to rapid growth? Progressive overload. Now let's talk about the real secret to rapid arm growth. Progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight you lift over time. But here's the kicker. It's not just about adding more weight. It's about perfecting your form and maximizing muscle tension. Mind-muscle connection, feel every rep. Here's a pro tip. If you're not feeling the burn in your arms, you're not doing it right. The mind-muscle connection is crucial for maximizing growth. Think of it like this. Your arms are like a sponge. If you're not squeezing it, you're not getting all the juice out. So squeeze hard. Top 3 dumbbell exercises for arm growth. All right, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Here are the top 3 dumbbell exercises that will rapidly increase your arm size. 1. Dumbbell hammer curls targets your biceps and forearms for that thick, powerful look. 2. Overhead dumbbell tricep extensions. Blast your triceps, giving your arms that horseshoe shape. 3. Incline dumbbell curls stretches your biceps for maximum growth. Look, building bigger arms isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling strong, confident, and unstoppable. And with the techniques you've learned today, you're already one step closer to achieving that. If you're ready to take your health and fitness to the next level, don't stop here. Click on the end screen to watch my next video on how to build a healthy lifestyle that lasts.